How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So in order to buy Bitcoin, just click on the home icon at the bottom left hand side corner, and the screen might turn black due to security reasons. Here you will be able to find the option of Bitcoin. Just click on it, then select the option of buying Bitcoin. And over here you need to just type the amount that you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase $10 Bitcoin, so I will just type 10, or I can just simply select $10. After that, just click on next. This way you would be able to prompt it to purchase the Bitcoin. In case if you want to send it, just select the Bitcoin, and right beside the purchase option you will be able to find the option of sending it to someone else. Just click on it, then paste the address of Bitcoin of the another wallet that you want to send it to. So make sure that it is correct, because it might get lost forever if the address is wrong. So just type the correct address or copy paste the correct address, because it is a long address. Just send it, type the amount that you want to send, and after that it will ask you whether you want the transaction to be on priority basis or the standard one. The faster you want this transaction to take place, the more fees you will end up paying. So just choose the standard method if you don't want to pay the huge fees on Bitcoin transfer. Just do it, and after that you will be able to send it. And this is how easy it is to send Bitcoin from Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.